I have so much content I want to film, so I'm good the rest of this year with content. It's now been 6 weeks since I started using the Medicube AGE-R Booster Pro. And I have some before and after pictures here that I want to show you, and I think there is a huge difference actually. Still 2 weeks to go for the 8 weeks, but so far I'm extremely satisfied. As I told earlier, it's also because I'm also using serums, different kind of serums, and that could also of course affect the results. But that is also part of how this is supposed to work. I mean, you are using the device to help the products penetrate deeper into the skin, right? So it's kind of mixed here, but I did use serums earlier also. So I think this is because of the Korean beauty device from Medicube. As you can see, I have put on makeup now, but I showed you photos, or I will show you photos right now with before and after. And this is taken without any makeup on. I have explained everything, how the Medicube is working in an earlier video, so if you haven't seen that yet, go on and watch it. It's really good. And today I'm actually wearing the new TirTir Mask Fit Red Foundation, the liquid new one. Next video will be up in hopefully tomorrow, and it will be a comparison between all of the TirTir foundations, both the cushions one and the fluid ones, and also of course the TirTir concealer, and I also have the TirTir lip oil. Remember to comment below and like this video, it helps me enormous. And if you haven't joined yet, join my channel. I have been looking into all of my content, and I've been planning everything, and I have so much content I want to film, so I'm good the rest of this year with content. So just sign up. I will try my best to add a new video every week. Hopefully later on I will be able to do it twice a week, but for now it's once a week. But see you in the next one. Bye.